Good noon, my dear students of SSC examinee of 2021 batch. How are you, my dear students? I hope you are fine. You are waiting or staying at home in this COVID situation. You are very concentrated on your study. You are paying your attention to the lesson because your SSC exam is knocking at the door. Somehow you are very serious about the coming SSC exam. Dear learners, I am describing about myself. I am Biplab Das, who is the teacher of Skatun Garden High School. I am taking or holding English class of class 10 or SSC candidate, Ramna Dhaka. Today I have appeared before you to give some instruction what you should do or what you should do not. I would like to take English second paper about grammar. I have selected 2 grammar items for your discussion. Dear learners, I have written some example of sentences. The boy reads the newspaper. As the sentence is present tense, then doesn't he? The boy does not read a newspaper. The sentence is negative, so does he? The boy did not read a newspaper. The sentence is past tense, then did he? The boy will read a newspaper. The sentence is future tense, then won't he? Read the newspaper. The sentence is an example of imperative sentence, won't he? Everybody reads newspaper. The sentence is assertive, don't they? Present tense. Nobody reads newspaper. The sentence is negative. The answer is do they. Do not read false news. The sentence is imperative, negative sentence, then will you. Let us read newspaper. The sentence is an example of imperative, then the answer of the sentence shall we. Dear learners, I have wanted to describe about the rules of the tag question. From this example, I am trying my best to describe all the rules of the tag question. The answer of the question as given at the ending of the sentence. Dear learners, tag question is a question. Firstly, you have to detect what kind of tenses it is. Then, if the sentence is affirmative, the answer will be negative. If the sentence is negative, the answer will be affirmative. It is very essential for you to know. After discussion about these sentences, we can assume our grammar type. So our topic lesson may be the tag question. About tag question is found in grammar part for English second paper. Learning outcomes. After learning the tag question, you can acquire some idea, cohesive idea about tenses, to acquire idea about sentences, learning sentence pattern, listen for information. Dear learners, this image is very familiar to you. It's an image of English second paper book. I have given some homework. Homework 1. In this homework, I have given 10 sentences about tag question. If you know the rules of the tag question, you will easily answer of the sentences. Homework 2. In this phase, I have given about transformation of sentence. In the coming SSC exam, you have to perform some rules of the transformation of sentence: negative, interrogative, assertive, exclamatory, active voice, passive voice, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. All things are given as homework. I hope every examinee of SSC will solve the question and share in our group. Thank you everyone for joining online class. Thank you everyone. I wish you a bright future. Everyone should take preparation for the coming SSC exam. Thank you again.